Hi accountants, if you want to learn how we helped a cleaning company get back £44,015.47, stick around and let's go! Hi, I'm Tessin and welcome to the R&D Tax Show, where we help accountants, tax advisors and their clients claim R&D tax relief. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a cleaning company that's been around since 2006 and how it qualified for R&D tax relief. The company provides staff for projects such as cleaning schools, council buildings and commercial buildings. The company mainly uses off-the-shelf cleaning products, but the company has, however, created its own products to clean unique surfaces. The creation of these new products helps the company win new contracts. The company decided to create waterless urine kits. Now, waterless urine kits already exist, but similar to how Gillette sell their razor blades at extortionate prices in comparison to its actual razor, these urinal kit manufacturers sell their actual accessories in extortionate prices. These accessories include small chemical blocks that fit into the urinal kits. To reduce the cost of these urinal kits, the company therefore created their own version which would be compatible with most waterless urinal kits. The company underwent a lot of trial and error development and had to test their product in-house but also on field tests at client sites. One accessory part of the waterless urinal kit is a chemical block. Now, the client decided to create their own version of the chemical block, and by doing so, they reduced the prices and they passed the reduction in price to the client. The unique thing about these chemical blocks was that they were compatible with most urinal kits. The company underwent trial and error development and took numerous amount of tests to improve their product and eventually create it. This included field trials at client sites. The company encountered different types of uncertainties, such as the size of the cartridges, the longevity of the cartridge, and also the odors emitted from the cartridges. We identified costs of £181,366. This included costs such as staff costs and consumables. As a result of working with the company, it saved £44,015.47 in a mixture of payable R&D tax credits and a reduction of corporation tax liability. If you have any clients that create chemical products, including coatings, paintings, cleaning products, please get in touch and we can help. I hope you found this useful. Take care. Goodbye.